Welcome to Engine Explorer, and today, you're about to witness something truly outrageous. This isn't just a truck, this is the most expensive. Kenworth W900, ever built, and believe it or not, it's been transformed into a full-blown 5-star hotel on wheels. Buckle up, because what's inside this beast will blow your mind. At first glance, it still holds that iconic Kenworth charm, long-nose classic design, aggressive chrome grille, and those towering stacks. But take a closer look. This isn't a regular long-haul machine. It's been custom-built from the frame-up to redefine what luxury means in the world of motorhomes. And yes, the price tag? An eye-watering $6.5 million. Let's step inside. As the hydraulic entryway unfolds, you're greeted by something you'd expect from a high-end penthouse in Manhattan. Not the interior of a semi-truck. The floors are polished hardwood. The walls, finished with hand-stitched Italian leather and real walnut accents. There's ambient LED lighting running along every edge, giving it that futuristic glow-meets-classic-luxury vibe. The living area comes with a custom L-shaped leather sofa, a 75-inch 4K OLED TV, and even a concealed minibar that lifts from the console with a soft hum. But the real shocker? A full-functioning fireplace that runs on bioethanol. That's right, a fireplace inside a Kenworth. Moving on to the kitchen, and yes, kitchen, you'll find marble countertops, a full-size refrigerator, convection oven, induction stove, and even a wine chiller. Every appliance is top-tier, whisper quiet, and built flush into the cabinetry for that seamless look. And this motorhome doesn't just have a bedroom, it has a suite. Step into the master cabin and you'll find a king-sized memory foam bed, backlit ceiling panels mimicking a starry night sky, a walk-in closet and automated blackout curtains. The ensuite bathroom features a rain shower, smart glass privacy walls, and gold-plated fixtures imported from Switzerland. But the real kicker? There's a rooftop terrace, accessible by a hidden spiral staircase. Up top you get a teakwood deck, a mini hot tub, retractable sunshades, and lounge seating for 6. At a highway rest stop, this truck becomes the envy of everything around it. Under the hood, it still packs the punch of a real Kenworth, a Cummins X15. Performance Series engine pushing 605 horsepower and over 2,050 lb-ft of torque, enough to tow a mansion while living in one. This W900 isn't for the average traveler, it's for the elite. For those who want the road, the sky, and everything in between, without sacrificing a single luxury. It's not just a truck, it's a rolling monument to craftsmanship, power, and extreme opulence. So is it over the top? Definitely. Is it the future of luxury on the road? Absolutely. Thanks for watching. This is Engine Explorer, where machines turn into mansions, and the open road becomes a red carpet. See you in the next one.